There are 3 methods to activate Windows 10. Method 1. Activate through Settings. Click on the Start button and select Settings, the gear icon. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. From the left-hand menu, select Activation. Click on Change Product Key if you have a new key to enter, or if Windows is not yet activated. Enter the 25-character product key, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Method 2. Activate using the command prompt. Type command prompt where it says Type here to search. Make sure you run it as an administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. slmgr.vbs, ipk your _product key. Replace your _product key with your actual 25-character product key. After a successful activation, you should see a confirmation message. Method 3. Activate using the activation wizard. On your keyboard, press the Windows button together with the letter R to open the Run dialog box. Type slui.exe4. Then hit Enter. The activation wizard will appear, and you can follow the on-screen instructions to enter your product key and activate. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe or leave a comment.